Welcome back, you guys, to my channel. Today we're gonna be making this organizer here. It's using all Dollar Tree items. Second ago, how it's leaning a little bit without the foam board. That's why I went back and added it into the sides, and it definitely will be even more sturdy. Like if you add it to both sides, I try to make a little design with it, but if you have it on both sides and you have all 4 poles, yours will most likely be way more sturdy than mine. Mine is sturdy, but like I have a lot of stuff in it right now and it's leaning a little bit, but it's not breaking down. Like it's still holding everything. And this is the end. Once you finish with your foam board, I added the flowers off camera, so they're optional. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time. Oh, and let me know if you try this. All right, bye.